Welcome to the best picks. The best Unna boots is probably one of the most innovative orthopedic footwear solutions you'll find. These boots are meticulously designed to offer unparalleled support, protection, and stability for your lower extremities. But what truly sets them apart is the integration of zinc oxide bandaging, a feature that promises to revolutionize how we approach foot and ankle care. Join me as we dive deep into the world of Unna boots and discover why they might just be the perfect fit for you. Number 5. Sion Biotext Unna Boot Bandages 4x 30 foot. This Unna boot rolled gauze wrap contains zinc oxide paste, which helps to soothe skin irritation. The product keeps the area moist, promoting comfort for the user. These Sion Biotext Unna boot bandages are infused with zinc oxide paste. The unique knit construction allows for a more uniform distribution of the paste. It is a great self-sticking bandage wrap. The Unna boot is a self-adherent wrap compression dressing. This bandage is usually made of cotton and has a zinc oxide paste applied uniformly. It measures 4 inches wide and 10 yards long. This product maintains a moist healing environment and provides light compression. It's designed for venous leg ulcers, lymphedema, minor fractures, sprains, strains, and skin grafts. The bandage will not fray into the wound site. The package contains 3 individually wrapped Unna boot bandages. They are easy to open and non-sterile. You can be sure that it meets your needs. What we like? This Unna boot features a self-adhesive design, making application a breeze. It also provides fast relief, maintaining a moist healing environment. If you're looking for a bandage that's easy to apply and promotes quick healing, this is a great choice. What people say. Promoted quicker healing on open wounds. Enabled me to wrap legs in ace bandages after wrapping in Unna boot. Unna boot did not stick to wounds. Number 4. Sion Biotext Unna boot bandages 4x 30 foot. This Unna boot bandage contains zinc oxide paste, which helps to soothe skin irritation. The wrap keeps the area moist, promoting comfort for the patient. This bandage is infused with zinc oxide paste. The unique knit construction allows for a uniform distribution of the paste. It's a great self-sticking bandage wrap. The Unna boot is a self-adherent wrap compression dressing. It has a zinc oxide paste applied uniformly. This bandage measures 4 inches wide and 10 yards long. This product maintains a moist healing environment and provides light compression. It's useful for venous leg ulcers, lymphedema, minor fractures, sprains, and strains. It will not fray into the wound site. Each package contains 12 individually wrapped, non-sterile gauze pads. You are guaranteed satisfaction with this product. What we like? This Unna boot offers the same benefits as the previous one, with the added advantage of a larger pack size. It provides fast relief and maintains a moist healing environment. If you need a supply for multiple uses or have a larger wound, this is the one for you. What people say. Promoted quicker healing on open wounds. Enabled me to wrap legs in ace bandages after wrapping in Unna boot. Unna boot did not stick to wounds. Number 3. Unna boot bandage with zinc oxide and first aid kit. This is the Unna boot bandage, a 4-inch bandage with zinc oxide. It provides customized compression and comes with a self-adhesive cover wrap. Each bandage is individually packaged for your convenience. The Unna boot bandage features a soothing zinc oxide paste formula. This helps to provide relief and promote healing. It's designed to be gentle on the skin while still being effective. Each Unna boot bandage is individually foil wrapped to maintain its integrity. This packaging ensures that the bandage remains sterile and ready for use whenever you need it. The bandage's unique knit construction allows for a more uniform distribution of the paste. This design helps the bandage conform to the body and provide consistent compression. The Unna boot bandage is designed not to fray into the wound site. This feature helps to minimize irritation and promote a cleaner healing process. It's a reliable choice for wound care. This pack also includes a VACLI guide. It will show you how to build your own custom first aid kit. It's a comprehensive solution for your wound care needs. What we like? This Unna boot comes individually foil wrapped, ensuring hygiene and ease of use. Its unique knit construction allows for uniform paste distribution. If you value convenience and want a bandage that's ready to go, you should consider this one. What people say. Unna boots with zinc oxide bandage. The bandage is very helpful. Number 2. Dynarex 3454 Unna boot bandage, for x 10 yard. Dealing with leg ulcers, vascular problems, or swelling? This Unna boot, a soft cast, offers customized compression to the affected area. It's designed to help manage these conditions effectively. First, clean and dry the area. Then, position the leg at a 90-degree angle. Wrap the bandage from the toes up to the knee, overlapping in a spiral pattern. This ensures proper coverage and compression. The zinc oxide paste in the boot helps reduce inflammation and swelling. It also soothes skin irritation, promotes healing, and maintains the right moisture level. This aids in the recovery process. Keep the Unna boot dry for best results. Elevate the leg whenever possible. If you notice any new or worsening symptoms, consult your doctor. Following these tips will help the product work effectively. The Dynarex Unna boot bandage is made with high-quality cotton gauze and zinc oxide. These materials are chosen to provide a superior product. The product is designed for optimal performance and patient comfort. What we like. This Unna boot offers customized compression, which is crucial for treating leg ulcers and vascular issues. It also contains zinc oxide to reduce inflammation and promote healing. If you have specific medical needs requiring compression and zinc oxide, this is the ideal option. What people say. Just what the doctor ordered. Seriously, this is the exact same product that my doctor uses. These allow me to do my own wraps and get the same quality that I would get in an office visit. This Unna boot has the same components as those used in the hospital. My wounds are almost healed now. It is the same Unna boot components as the hospital uses but costs a lot less. These Unna boot wraps are one of the best I have used. I have ordered these several times and never had any problems. I have had excellent results using these in wound care and highly recommend them. Number 1. Dynarex 3453 Unna boot bandage. Dealing with leg ulcers, vascular issues, or swelling? This Unna boot, also known as a soft cast, is designed to help. It provides customized compression to the affected area, promoting healing and comfort. First, clean and dry the area. Then, position the leg at a 90-degree angle. Wrap the dressing from the toes to the knee, overlapping in a spiral pattern. This ensures proper coverage and compression. This bandage contains zinc oxide paste, a key ingredient. It helps reduce inflammation and swelling. It also soothes skin irritation and maintains the right moisture level for optimal healing. To get the best results, keep it dry. Elevate the leg whenever possible. If you notice any new or worsening symptoms while using it, be sure to contact your physician for advice. The Dynarex Unna boot bandage is made with high-quality components. These include cotton gauze and zinc oxide. They work together to deliver a product that supports effective treatment and promotes healing. What we like. This Unna boot offers customized compression, which is crucial for treating leg ulcers and vascular issues. It also contains zinc oxide to reduce inflammation and promote healing. If you have specific medical needs requiring compression and zinc oxide, you should consider this one. What people say. This stuff worked awesome on my legs. On the outer skin came off. Had to wear them for about 6 months before my legs healed, but this stuff really helped. After 7 weeks of using this product, his ulcer is completely healed. These really have worked well for me, and I would tell anyone that has a wound this is what you need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.